A significant investment from the Blue Cross Blue Shield Foundation of Mississippi, the GrOW Gardening and Overall Wellness Classroom and Outdoor Garden connects students to a healthy school environment. Excellence is growing at Partnership Middle School.
The GrOW classroom has many different aspects. We have the garden outside, so we are always growing, weeding, trying to germinate seeds. In the classroom, we learn about agriculture, plant science, soil science, safety in the kitchen. We do use our vegetables from the garden, and we learn how to wash our vegetables, how to chop our vegetables, what slicing looks like.
We are growing cucumbers, tomatoes, zucchini, bell peppers, squash, and really pretty flowers.
The most exciting part about going outside to the garden is picking the plants to see if they're ready or not, and just getting outside to take a breath of air and getting out of the classroom.
It's been fun watching them go to the garden, be excited when they see things that are ready to be picked. And as soon as they pick it, they're like, okay, Miss Sumas, what are we gonna cook with this? What can we make?
These seed-to-plate learning experiences are transforming how students connect to their food.
I look forward to coming to the GrOW classroom every day.
My favorite recipe is the zucchini muffins.
During Cucumber Week, we made cucumber scrub, the cucumber cool down, homemade pickles, and we did a little cucumber eye mask. We hatched the chicks in the incubator, and there are 4 different chickens outside that are all adults.
I've learned how to plant things, take care of chickens. I've never done that before. I've learned how to cook, and it's just overall a really nice place.
Grow with us at Partnership Middle School. Learn more at www.starkvillesd.com/grow.